This is a video of me basically having a hack to walk my dogs because I don't have Trigger with me. But y'all all know sometimes Trigger won't come to me because he is my mama's dog. And but I have another dog named Sambo at my granny's. I made another video on him that's called walking my only pet at my granny's house. And I have him with Prince today, and he does not really listen because he's had all kind of homes in his life, and I don't think anybody taught him, and while he was grown, they taught him how to come and listen to commands when he was like a puppy. But right now he's forgotten, so I have them tied up right here, and they do get free space and run around and stuff. And I just had Prince off free. Simba can't be free, and I can't run around fast enough and go many places as Prince can that he would like to go. So I tied him up, and I'm just walking around because when I call Prince, Prince will pull him to me like he's walking him. So that's what I did, and they do not get tangled up. They just twirl around like Prince just showed you. And so that's Sambo. He's really happy today if he gets to get out. If he don't get to get out every day because I'm not here with Prince every day, like I said, walking him, he don't really like me walking him because I don't go as many places as Prince used to go at one time. So come on. And my granny's dog Tar over there, we just got done with a fight with Prince and him. They were fighting before I got Sambo on here, and he just started chasing the Sambo. And he might do that again, I don't know. But I really hope he doesn't. And like I said, I'm going to be moving here with my granny pretty soon, maybe in a month or two or earlier. I don't know. But, because my mom was moving to Oklahoma, and, the dogs just went over there. And, I'll be staying here, so I'll be doing videos here every single time I do one, unless I'm going somewhere. See, they're over there. You're going to get some water. Like I said, Prince does not leave the yard unless I'm with him and I call him out the yard. He knows how to stay in the yard. When I tell him to, I'll tell him to stay in the yard and he'll stay. So he knows not to go anywhere unless I call him to somewhere like in the road or my neighbor's yard or somewhere. This is a swing we accidentally broke when we just doing agility with Prince. Couldn't come over to swing and get cracked in half because it was really, really, really old. It was about to break anyway with us on it, so we never swung again. The dogs are probably over here somewhere, drinking some water. I just hope they don't go to Prince's food I gave him a while ago because him and Prince are fight. And they can't get away from each other because they got the rope on. I don't really know